Hey guys, Patrick Johnston here with GoDominicanLife.com, president and co-owner of the company. And here we are right in the center of Punta Papi Beach. This is the action. This is the Colmado that I love to chill out at because it's a mix of locals, international people, and just really relaxing. And I'm on my favorite mode of transportation. This is Florence the motorcycle with the Dominican flag, the Canadian flag, and the Haitian flag on it. Why? Because this bike has been throughout the whole island of Hispaniola, Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Just me and this bike. But today, I want to show you what is really important around here. Look, when you live on an island, things that are good, that are cold beer, rum, and with the ocean brings a harvest of seafood. So let's go take a look at the seafood that's here. You'll be really impressed with the quality and the supply. Let's go. Okay, so first up we have a ton of, look at these fish. We have longanista, which are little mini lobsters. This is a chio, which is a red snapper. Tuna, atún, right here. So lots of big fish. Now let's look at some of the smaller ones. These are camarones in Spanish, but as we know in English is shrimp. And these are small, believe it or not. I'll show you other ones. This is pulpo, which is octopus, and this is clam meat. If you are into the big shellfish, look at the size of these things. Ocean crab, amazing. We get back into the bigger fish. Again, chio, red snapper, and more. Again, more and more fish, red snapper, and this is a dorado fish, a small one, but it's a dorado fish. And lastly, these are the big shrimp. Look at the size of these suckers. Look at them. And fresh. These are freshly caught almost every day here in the Dominican Republic. Look at the size of those things. I mean, we should not call them shrimp. We should call them mucho grande. All right, but here's the cool thing too. When you buy any of your seafood, it's here every single day. Fishermen go out at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning out to the sea. They come back in around between 5 and 7 in the morning with their catch. And you can buy your seafood by the pound, no matter what you want, or by the whole fish. And then for just a little bit more, like $1 or $2 more, if you get a big fish, they will prepare the fish for you, so you don't have to take it home and go through the mess. So let me show you what they do. Right here, they'll take your fish, and again for $1 or $2, they cut it up, they take all the scales off. If it's a dorado fish, they peel the skin back, they fillet it to your choice, and prepare it, put it in a plastic bag, and then when you go home, you can just be the kitchen rock star you are. You don't have to do all the fuss of doing the hard work, and that's cool. This is right in the center of town, literally from the main centers of banks, etc. It's 1 or 2 minute walk. Down Punta Papi Beach here, you have a ton of different hotels and restaurants. All your major restaurants here will buy fish from these guys as well. And directly behind me here, to my right, you'll have all the fishing boats that go out to sea. So as I like to say, if you are a lover of fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, fresh seafood, fresh chicken and pork and beef. This country has everything domestically grown or caught or harvested here in the country. And, you know, being from North America, when fish sticks are normally triangles and battered, and we've never seen a fish with a head on it, I'm telling you, you can't get any better than you have here in the country. You don't have to have anything frozen. And what's very big in this country for both locals and expats is that you buy what you're going to eat the same day. So you don't have the big giant storages we would have in freezers and stuff in North America. You buy fresh, you eat fresh, you consume and enjoy it. So lots of stuff to do and show you, but seafood is part of the game. So I thank you for watching. I'm Patrick Johnston, co-owner and president of Go Dominican Life, Las Terrenas Life. Here in Las Terrenas, we can help you with mortgage, sales of real estate, purchases and selling, as well as property management and short-term rentals. We are here to serve you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you wish. We'd love to help you and see you soon. Bye from the beach.